Shatner's murder case, wrought with challenges from the beginning, will be making its way to the state Supreme Court after an appeals court overturned a judge's ruling.
The investigative unit's Bess Casserly has more on the concerns with this ruling.
In a 2-1 decision, the First Circuit Court of Appeal overturned Curtis Stewart Jr.'s 2023 murder conviction, saying the state hadn't proven Stewart's guilt. District Attorney Hiller Moore says his office will be appealing that decision.
We believe that we've proved our case beyond a reasonable doubt, despite a lot of obstacles that we had to face.
Those obstacles include Stewart's lawyer getting arrested before trial began. Attorney Stephen LeBlanc was arrested for allegedly paying witnesses to prevent them from testifying. LeBlanc, who I spoke to in 2023, claims he didn't know what the money given to him by Stewart was for.
When a client requests his attorney to disperse client's funds to a third party, the attorney's obligated to do it. That's all I did. If I didn't disperse his funds as he directed, I could be sanctioned by disciplinary counsel.
Judge Ebony Johnson Rose ruled that the original testimony taken by the prosecution would be used at trial, which contradicted what the witnesses had been paid to say or not to say. She then convicted Stewart for the murder of 25-year-old Devontae Ennis. One of the issues the appeals court judges brought up was that there were 2 cars in the driveway at the time of the shooting, and the state couldn't say for certain which one the shots were fired from. Stewart claimed he wasn't even there, and cell phone forensics experts could only put him within 4 miles of the crime scene. The appeals court says Rose's ruling was based on speculation. It's not the first time one of Rose's rulings has been called into question. In fact, she just returned to the bench in June after a lengthy suspension by the Supreme Court. Moore, who has previously been critical of some of Rose's rulings, says she made the right choice in this case.
If we disagree, but in this case, it's one where we obviously agree.
Stewart's new attorney, Ron Haley, was not available for comment. For the investigative unit, Bess Casserly, WBRZ News 2.